If you are going through bloating or constipation, then quinoa might be the right supernatural food to fix your gut. In this video, I will share with you the proper way to cook your quinoa and achieve all the good health benefits. Stick around and let's cook. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Anniekrieger. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. Have you heard of quinoa before? Have you seen these amazing seeds before? How have you been prepping your quinoa recipes? Are you going through constipation or bloating? You are not alone on that. Today, I will share with you an amazing way to prep your quinoa. Now, quinoa is a high nutritional fruit, originally from South America. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based food that contains all the 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, like a complete protein. But if you want to achieve all these 9 essential amino acids, which is the amazing vitamins and proteins that comes with it, you have to prep quinoa the right way. If you want to prevent the constipation or you want to get rid of constipation and bloating, this is what you need to do. Quinoa is an amazing superfood, but it needs to be prepped in the right way once again. The seed have those beta oil coating, which is called saponin. This saponin can actually irritate your guts, now causing you bloating if it's not properly rinsed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your time and rinse again and again and again. Rinse your quinoa before you cook, okay, just to get rid of the bitterness. Now, quinoa is healthy, but if it's not properly prepped, like I said, it will cause bloating, okay? So now you want to get rid of bloating, so you just don't want to contribute to what you have already. So take your time and properly clean. To a pot, you will introduce 2 cups of quinoa, your cleaned 2 cups of quinoa, and 6 cups of water. Add in some pinch of turmeric for an inviting look, and also is an amazing digesting spice. Cover it up and let it simmer on a gentle heat. Today we'll be going for some amount of veggies, and the first one is my small chopped broccoli roses. Bring in some amount of water to a boil, season with salt, add in your broccoli and blanch. Not more than 2 minutes, okay? You want to retain the look and all the vitamins. Also, we are making this for a sensitive gut, so we have to cook our broccoli. Scoop out your broccoli, add into cold water to stop the cooking process, and then take it out of the cold water so you don't lose the vitamins. Set that aside. At this point, our quinoa is looking well cooked and inviting. One reason I love to go for turmeric because it just gives it that amazing look. I hardly make a quinoa without adding turmeric. Now I went in with some amount of pressed garlic. Again, I went in with some brown chopped carrot. I went in with 3 color bell peppers. I went in with white pepper or whatever pepper you want to go for. Go in with your cooked broccoli, adding good amount of olive oil, almond oil, or coconut oil. Please do not go for sunflower oil. Please do not go for bouillon powder or vegetable powder. Any taste booster, okay? These are just natural spices to help your gut, to help your system, to help your body, everything. It's an amazing meal. Quinoa has a good amount of soluble fibers that helps regulate and prevent constipation and bloating. And I bet if you try this out, you will testify. I've been going through bloating and the constipation for a while now. I didn't know what to eat. Everything, my favorite meals, my body just reject them because this is not, my system could not take them anymore. But since I I just switched into healthy meals like a quinoa. That doesn't mean I don't eat my favorite meals, but quinoa has just been my number one. I have it for breakfast. I used to have it for lunch, and I just feel light. I feel relief. And I am sure that this quinoa recipe is going to be a lifesaver to you, okay, or for you. And you can have it for salad. It's just a basic recipe. This quinoa recipe is a basic recipe. You can prep it however you want to have it. It can be a substitute to your rice, to anything, okay? So I had to make some chicken breast and some avocado. And guys, I can't have enough of it. I feel good. And I hope you do so too. Take care of your guts and see you all in my next one. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones, leave your opinion, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.